Hi, this is Brother Barnes. Welcome back. We are learning how to put advisor notes into a student record. Once you go into the student's degree plan in Alliant, and by the way, this is me, Darrell Barnes, so I give myself permission to do this video. Once you get into the student record in degree plan, just click on advisor notes, and to add a record, just click add record. And this is test advisor entry number 2. And so let's add that to the record. I just did a video on this a few minutes ago and I wasn't really happy about how it went, but I do want to see if we can edit this. What happens if we go back to it? Can we delete it? Okay, we could actually delete this note. Okay, very good. Okay, that works. So, since this is kind of my trifling effort to show you what this is all about, I'll just delete these as quickly as I entered them. Anyhow, this is important because this is a record of an advisor interaction with a student. I'm also doing an email, a detailed email to the student, and I'm clicking on that within the calendar of Outlook that I have downloaded onto my phone. So I'm kind of doing both.